In today's video, we are going to show you how to change your answer on Edpuzzle, especially if you selected the wrong option or want to review your responses. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials and then hover to the left side area of the dashboard panel and click the My Classes because this is where your assignment and other content live. Open the assignment. Now, if you see a resume, retry, or open, or delete your attempt, that means your teacher allows you to go back and edit your answers. Okay, so click the delete attempt for now because we need to go back and retry it again. So click the view as students, all right, and click the resume button. All right, so remember, this is really dependent on your teacher. Since the teacher allows us to go back and edit our answers, this is a golden opportunity for us to scrub through the video again, okay, until we reach the question where we can change our answer. Click the next question, for example, this one. All right. Click the next question again, click the continue button. And once you've done that, of course, double check your selection before moving on. Once you are happy with your new answer, click the submit button and this will be graded by your teacher. All right. And basically that's it for today's video on how you can change your answer on Edpuzzle. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.